This car has been brought to me and the main driver of the car says that the brakes are rumbling or the wheels shaking even from a low speed. So that ruled out a balancing issue, as balancing issues tend to be at 60 miles an hour. You tend to start to feel the steering wheel shake. This one, the shaking started at 20 miles an hour and just carried on all the way up to motorway speed, and it was worse when braking. So I drove the car, and what it felt like when you used the brakes was like the ABS was kicking in, but there are no ABS codes present in the ECU. So took a look at the brakes. And to be honest, on first inspection, there's not really a lip. Look, absolutely fine. And the pads are nowhere near ready to be changed. But I bought a set of front discs and pads anyway. And this is the driver's side, exactly the same. No real lip, not really that worn, to be honest. You know, there's plenty of life left in that. And the pads, the outer pad, the one that you could see, still got some life left. But when we look at the other side, this is supposed to be braking surface, and of course this isn't very easy to see whilst on the car. And what's happened here is it's all rotting and raised up, and this is the inner pad, which you wouldn't have been able to see, and as you can see, it's worn out or wearing on the inside. So what's happening when the wheel's going round is this rough area is touching the inner pad and obviously pulsing, and you feel that on the brake pedal, and at speed you can feel it rumbling through the steering wheel. I thought this was interesting enough to make a video because it's the second time in a week that I've encountered this, where the inside of the disc is much more worn than the outside.